All right, so the next operator we have is the not null operator. This is an operator that, is two bangs. It converts the value of a variable or a value to a non-null type. But if it is null, it would just throw an exception. So I really don't see much of a use case for this. But maybe if you want an exception, if you want to catch an exception, just in case if it's null. But let's see this in action. So let's have a val of y. And this is going to be a string that accepts null. So we're going to make this equal to null. And we're going to have another val that holds, that is x. Oop, forgot to put on another line. Typing skills is trash. We're going to have another val that is x. And it's going to be equal to y, bang, bang. Bang, bang. So if we run this, right, there should be an exception. And there it is, the Kotlin null pointer exception. So it sees that y is null. So if we put the bang bang, it just throws the exception. Nice stuff. If we were to place, let's use a string called value, and we were to use a bang bang on it, it just makes this y into a non-null type. So let's just make this a string. No errors. Now if we run this, or actually no, I didn't print it, but no errors, right? But if I didn't have this bang bang on it, it will be a problem because of the fact that it's a mismatch. One is just a regular string, which is a null reference, and the other is a string that accepts null. But if I use the bang bang or the two exclamation points, it reverses the type of y. It makes it a non-null reference. Only problem is that if this is null, then it will throw an exception. If I run this again, it will throw an exception. So you gotta use this wisely.